a cancer survivor who needs treatment.
Councilman Yitzi Slifer started the hearing by talking about the hundreds of people who he says were turned away from first dose appointments at Baltimore City Community College last week.
I've lost sleep over this botched rollout. I am sick to my stomach that I am part of a government entity that has treated human life in the way as I witnessed last week.
The health department has said that many of the canceled first dose seekers shouldn't have had access to the link to book the appointments in the first place, while also acknowledging issues with PrepMod, the state system used to schedule appointments.
Will you help restore trust and have your team reschedule those appointments who are abruptly canceled?
Given the scarcity of supply of vaccine, we aren't able to guarantee an appointment at our vaccination pod.
Health Commissioner Letitia Jaraza went through a lot of vaccine rollout information in her presentation to the Rules and Legislative Oversight Committee, including the current mandate from the state to focus vaccine resources on adults 65 and over, to set aside at least 100 doses a week for educators, and to ensure that they have second doses available.
Focused on those.
As of Monday, Dr. Jaraza said close to 47,000 people had been vaccinated in Baltimore City, which is about 8% of the population. Some vaccine has been reallocated to healthcare partners like Mercy to help get people on priority groups vaccinated, as only second doses will be fulfilled at the mass pod site for the entire month of February. The health department currently has a list of about 18,000 registered older adults.
We've been able to refer over 3,700 to those healthcare partners that are helping to disseminate first doses throughout this month as well as last month.
Who's making the determination who goes next?
We've given them a list, again, that 18,000 older adults list. We also surveyed non-public school educators and received lists from them.
And so we know the health department said that the goal was to have 80% of the Baltimore City population vaccinated by March of next year. Just one clarification on that. Tonight, Dr. Jaraza said that figure includes the hope that kids will be eligible for the vaccine by that point. Reporting live at City Hall tonight, Kai Reed, WBAL TV 11 News.